What's up, guys? Tyler with Off Leash Canine North Georgia. I have 6-month-old Doberman Willow here with us. She comes to us for a 2-week board and train program. Her big complaints from her owners is her recall. They live on a lot of property. She likes to take off running, but they want to have that reassurance that she's going to come back every single time. Also, they go on hikes on the property. They walk the tree lines and stuff, so they want to be able to walk with her and her stay with them and not take off every single time she gets off the leash. Stay tuned for the updates. We'll see y'all here in 2 weeks. All right, guys, we're going to see what Willow knows so far. Willow, sit. Good, sit, good girl. Can you down? Down. Thinking about it. Down. Almost. Nope. Sit. Down. Down. That's a half down. I'll take it for now. Willow, place. Hey, can you place? Come on, place. All right, maybe. Willow, come. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Sit. Good, sit, good girl. Up. Willow, sit. Good, sit, good girl. We got to sit down. Come. Good girl. Yes. Sit. Place. All right, we'll see. See y'all in 2 weeks.